Obviously, they've started, right? The Muslims in NDZ are trying so hard to drag Hajia Samira Baumia. And I'm seeing any more Juma Pau. You see, I, for instance, admiring Hajia Samira Baumia because of her knowledge and her beauty. Trust me, in the fashion sense, so come home. I love it when a Muslim woman dresses so decent with swag. Ane. Young as a Muslim, if we see and katakata huna, ya should be basa, but dressing not vibe. You get it? One thing that I want this NDC Muslims to understand is that Hajia Samira Baumia is not representing any Zongo. Zongo be not representing. Munchile Zongo back when Hajia Samira Baumia representing. 2024 no, you can't say or represent as Zongo into a much but masa, mufam hypocrisy in 3 years Zongo. We don't care. The woman is not pleasing anyone at this moment. Please will be the Islam ya bechish will be Munfa. Yawmal Kiyama. Munko heaven unko bunsenjam. It is none of my business. And no business. You see, some of these people, every Sunday, now, when you say DJ now will cry microphone or a bema.
Abuza for Mamunya Makwaba and the Bagan and same TV so. Bombo is over like video, no best subscribe to the channel and what any notifications. Be next time. Videos of this nature, but also want to be to my cabin. Madaroma, the most important thing of it all, subscribe to the channel and forward the video. Send me also videos in the BRA and spend enough time to watch it because I have no exclusive information, exclusive news. So the moon friend Mr. President, who comment or comment section Mr. President and major also. Whom now from Mr. President and major also. Maybe I be seen from Mr. President or other major also. Now, I then back observe late issues of how NBC phone decided some bad attack my Miss Samira Baumia. First, not meant yes, it did on Beza. But as someone, I follow politics for a while, and I'm still following politics. And as someone, I may hear you man Ghana and same TV I have for day. I was said, the Fatima was not met as a machine, no said the new Mati, Mati for. And upon my research and my breakdowns, and you know, we realize that D0n't or more attack is Samira Baumia and said they see her to be a threat. NPPC elections. If you see f00lsih D0n't, we wouldn't even waste our energy and our time and our resources to go and attack the wife because Sabi I'm not writing her off, I'm not disrespecting her mommy. Minimum no woman say politically her impact and influence are very limited. But for someone like Samira Baumia, you can't underrate her. She's very dynamic. In fact, she's a whole politician and it's as an NDC for who is hardly winning. They've taken it upon themselves to make her look some way on the eyes of Ghanaians, but they lie bad. They lie bad. Now, a numuna communicators can you be say can was a when I is ni animal more northern region cry sorry Casalida. I not necessarily company can cry asset the pace already. Omakasa. So you see one consulting where you were born. And you see if you crew near him soon manemo. It's a more human mama attitude. They've spoken up already. I wouldn't waste your time. Maybe I could in some union not dance about Samira Baumia. They are not going to allow these things to continue. And this is what we love to see. Over the years, NPP is so down. Who attack NPP in penny for cry, near DNA book, send. I feel what would you see a bit of the country. And in not necessarily saying a pen, say we need to protect the sanctity and the sanity of the new patriotic party. Tina go for city piece na idea. We will bring it on board for Ghana and TV I for to go. Oka Samira wa kan ye be kan. Oka Dr. Baumia wa kan ye be kan. Na oka NPP dia, we will come after you. Abusia, mo mi enko ne go video ni ba.
Abusia, they've started, right? The Muslims in NDZ are trying so hard to drag Hajia Samira Baumia. And I'm seeing any more Juma Pau. You see, I, for instance, admiring Hajia Samira Baumia because of her knowledge and her beauty. Trust me, in the fashion sense, so come home. I love it when a Muslim woman dresses so decent with swag. Ane. Young as a Muslim, if we see and katakata huna, ya should be basa, but dressing not vibe. You get it? One thing that I want this NDC Muslims to understand. They say Hajia Samira Baumia is not representing any Zongo. Zongo be not representing. Munchile Zongo back one Hajia Samira Baumia representing. 2024 no, ye can't say or represent as Zongo into a more trouble. Massa, more hypocrisy in 3 years Zongo. We don't care. The woman is not pleasing anyone at this moment. Unpleased will be the Islam ya bechichu will be Munfa. Yawmal Kiyama. Monko heaven, onko bunsenjam. It is none of my business. And your business. You see, some of these people, every Sunday, now, when you say DJ now will cry microphone or a memady. Now DJ, ma shaky bomb ka, shaky bomb. Your mothers are shaking their bombs in front of men. Go and advise your mothers. A bit more minimum hijab betting a pump and tade for at your man could die. Yes, so how dare you people come out and then question her dressing or how she shake men or how she hug men? But we were in this country when you people were on your sister's neck. I know a lot of people who say a best 10 times. Ma many pemumunti dear mobe can obey into Gumayafin, equisi saying. A coco saying, and what you cry in your malam so mukra microphone, Bamu vote Mubabomia, Baumia te sorry, Bomia. Do you think this time around we are going to do things to please you people because you'll be a Muslim and you'll be I just remember about my can't pay and know what I watch it will be a day. She's not representing any Zongo. And 2 years Zongo ni bana when I loved her Samira about me, how she's living her life now. Person who adopt her, you go. But the woman is not representing any Zongo because we don't know any Zongo are represented. Monche is Zongo back when the woman is represented. Nay cancer Moncheremo. Nay cancer. Ikra page there on the blue app no meaning say your fan as communication officer ma NDC in charge of Islam, in charge of Yawmal Kiyama, in charge of judging, in charge of internal man. Congratulations. Your bomb pay say o me na adwuma ni ye na NDC for na donating guni boka foundation ni mo. But you people here ready. Enen kaya na amakan, we don't care. We don't care. If the woman doesn't care, no someone pen, baby or more pen on one or beko. Baby or more pen on one or beko. Momo yerenum, bimu yerenum and namamo plan for bay 2 3. Go and correct your wife before you come here because when you followers kakret ma be puli camera. We don't care. Na malam phobi malam small boy be am safin we be Islamic education over. Mo the privilege and when yana says you at verse 59. Wakache and say for boo and many for man ne cheetah for no and the messengers near for man scholars and apostles no and it's na yentimi we can't come after you people. Nemu ye jamu de mumanyame. Some ye natural muntimi in can cray. And this is for Muslim for man as she nails TV so no. Ebi mukunu wu kura omunye idan wie kura omo so contest. But you people shift to the hypocrisy and enjoy your opaya ne Hajia. Some of us immediately we saw you with that red container say this is the Hajia Samira about me we want. We don't care. We are sick and tired of monemo Islam some na modesha shri and wo kwine basa yeson hypocrite nyachum for. Is this what the Quran taught us? Is this what the Islam taught us? Yet mami we kunu ebe fa ye nuanom de omo ko Cuba so monko ready doctrine no be a doctor for o man Ghana mo. What did you people do? Yet mami we kunu be on be create Zongo development fund. Say yem family Zongo be CC Zongo yet mami we kunu e ko pen supporter be kra ye masalachi e wo man Ghana mo ha. What did you people do? Ebi no mami no mo nam Omoko fa drugs ba edbe ma ye nua mema no betonton ma ye nua mema no mo Zongo me na ye nua mema no fa half of them ni na say mon twe camera na mon be ye eno ho eyi. She's not pleasing anyone, as I already said. Adie kwa mama yati asese Zongo ye nto aba Zongo de eno ani NDC ye ntafo na ye we NDP mo no. Do you know ye manafo no kra titiru no hwe you want say no we have a beautiful relationship with our shanties almost ya butubutu ni Kumase banafo fa nyina egu Kumase because how ye papa no ba be trade no wa that kind of relationship na ye no munya and how they treated us no ene me be NDP for ka ye nyina ye NDC for nti azongo die NDC for die mondi mu lemu ne enso die lemu. She's not pleasing anyone. In fact on chere obi ade o makranta
me to ade e bia 10 cedis a na sesi ano eye It should be about 10 points. 30 pesos.
10 pesos.
It should be about 10 pesos. It shouldn't be about 12 cities. 2
years ago, now me turn 8 cities. Then me turn 12 cities. Meanwhile, so no. Yet your money, your dollar,
I am basing on the analogy. Say the rate at which Niema increasing. Say me call 2024 23%. And you know, if a Niema be increasing, it's increasing at 23%. Which means say a bona also be count. I say a content term.
I could tell you Niema ye did jina so me de tu Niema munye na bafom. What is the basis?
That's the basic thing.
Say I was idea where you tum petrol ye the lorry fare etwa de me bo akonta. Say the lorry fare etwa de. Because nipa me say Niema no ye no. So kwa fa de kwa gu ni shop odi gu kam. Car na odi gu no car ni to petrol. It was to petrol ni ato petrol mu a obeto lorry fare mu. And then yen to petrol mu yen esokrati.
That's right.
Me bo. It is a me koto pure water. Me top pure water 8 cedis 2 years ago and a year ago. Necessary time now not a inflation one your top petrol 14 cedis a liter and then petrol nam ebia 13 and 12 now inflation nam 23% not dollar nam 15 cedis any other day na me to no crown na me to pure water a bag about 8 cedis na say nyame ya dom dollar na free 14 cedis
about
11 petrol no ate
about 2 cities a free.
Yes, inflation no at by 20%
point.
Let's still here 2 pure water anymore 12 cities here. What is the basis of money to Saudi Emanum? Still not PURC for ebe catch say ECG and Ghana Water Company Limited say yanto water bill mo yanto light bill mo. What is the basis? Mujina so and they increase light bill and water bill because ECG nene Ghana Water Company Limited at the dollar. Any inflation rate, any policy rate, interest rate, no mudi jinaso. Anyone say your money in our form. It is also for to start this question. Well, Musana out of ignorance.
Yes, that's why I want to say legitimate question. Not ask out of ignorance.
Me patcho man kasa he ask out of me say he needs to be educated. Me say I didn't use the word ignorance. Say ignorant me say man kasa me tell on my dear me can say me say my men are some na papa na some na account. That's what most people have been saying. And it's up to the government to explain things to them.
Your word was ignorance. They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your word.
On my ignorance, I mean, okay, so me can say, asamna okano, and just say any mabo and cosru.
But the
Jawakan wanted or my panic can say. Was it a pretty was it a penny was it pure water a costro and I mean say inflation above for ma and can the rate at which things will be increase the empanifona minimum woman a pense commission I catch and say and can be cost like a sankabia it has also done a trainer ebianka inflation and kabia yet 3 cities in a cabecao son or more can say the rate at which things will be increasing a better form. What you say?
Inflation.
Oh my, Mrs. Sana or more. Yahweh, dear me, or my me tell you, and I told Amanda Maker here. Say, I buying, say, what the inflation about this number. And now you should say a base rate, a 16, advance of the above or the above 14, me boy. I may come catch you say, a baby, or maybe a pretty and a single digit piano, or more base rate so, a cost single digit, me boy. And now, say about me can say petrol about for me. Abano dia you trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes, about to me so who na go for what there? What you say? And I know someone here can say Pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from oh until the making. Me say so they buy be all spoke against say I was say no mushia. I'm no mushia but nanka we my no. The phone chim so moko a penny say a port wa nene man from kaka yes I don't kind yes but this can your bono ever from but you must say was a public air and a crime my no omoko funny man but how much this one abanu kreti and other environment but say individual entity near so abank to me petrol